Morning, guys. Today we'll see regarding mechanical enclosures for the motors and their applications. So, the enclosure is nothing but an outer cover which provides the protection to the electrical machines from any entry of dust particles, dirt particles, or chemical vapors, or some liquid, water molecules, moisture entry. So the enclosures will provide the protection against entry of these things. Okay, so again, one more basic purpose of this enclosure is to provide the protection to the operator against any accidental contact with it. And the very important thing we have to remember here is necessity of enclosures. So the enclosures are necessary in most of the applications where the machines are used for different level of applications like chemical industries, crushing and rolling mills, water pumping stations, generating stations. So in those areas it is very much essential that the motor or machine should be provided with enclosures. So in the chemical industries, if the chemical fumes and vapors enter into the motors, they will spoil the motor windings. Same as in crushing and rolling mills, where the dirt and dust particles, if they enter into the motor, they will cause the damage to the motor windings. Similarly, in water pumping station, in most of the generating stations where water will always be dripping, if that enter into the motor windings will be short circuited. So in such applications there is necessity of enclosures so that the motors will be protected against these hazardous, and also these will protect the personnel who is operating it from any accidents. So there are different types of enclosures available. Basically, there are four types. One is open type, screen protected type, totally enclosure type, and drip proof enclosures. So open type enclosures are used for the large machines, for both motors as well as for generators. And this open type is having some vents. These vents will be provided on the motors for the air ventilation. And when you come to the screen protected type is shown over here. So in the screen protected type, large openings will be provided in the end shields. In the end shields, the large openings will be provided for the free ventilation of air from outside to inside, in inside to outside, because whenever the motor is under the working condition, the heat will be generated and that heat has to be cooled as early as possible. And it also provides the entry of dust and dirt particle and some water molecule dripping and chemical solution vapors to entry the machines. These are used where the clean and dry conditions are there. There these types of screen protected motors will be used. Next, there is totally enclosed motors. These totally enclosed motors give the protection against all the dust, dirt, and chemical fumes, vapors, water drips. And here, even though it is totally enclosed type, but we are having two conditions to cool these motor parts. That is, one is naturally air cooled, another is totally enclosed with fan cooled type. So the fan will be installed at the end so that the immediate heat conduction may take place. And one more is drip proof type. These types are designed to protect the motor from the entry of any liquid drops or dust particles falling into the motor. Whenever the motor is placed vertically, then the angle should be provided for these vents at 15 degree. So these are most commonly used enclosures for the motors in the applications like generating station, pump houses, and some chemical industries where the chemicals or liquids may enter into the motor. Such type of enclosures will be used. So this you have to remember in regard of enclosures.